In cubing, you may get up to like this situation where your pieces all pop up and you want to assemble it. So today in this video, I'll do some disassembly relay and also show you how to do it. So enjoy it. The very first thing which I need is three parts: A. Centers, B. Edges, and C. Corners. This is a center because it has 6 colors and has a standard color scheme as seen in a cube. So I'll keep this center aside and then I'll keep my corners behind and our edges here. So let's see what is an edge. So edge is of 2 colors and it's just a single piece of 2 colors. And if you want to notice how edges and corners look, here is the difference. And corner has 3 pieces which can be anything, either of these color scheme. So if it has 3 edge pieces, we have to keep it at our back because our corners go at back. And in our edge we have just 2 colors, so we'll keep it in our front. So let's segregate it by again and again. So after doing the segregation, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We get 9 edges, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 odd corners and 9 edges. Okay, so after segregating, you may see like this. And now let's start inserting all the pieces. You may say you will start with corners, but that's not the case. The first thing is to make plus, which is the very first thing to solve a cube also. So we have to make a plus in all of our side and then insert our edge. So now I'll show you. Suppose we take this edge, which is white and green. So we look, where is it? I'll just segregate it behind for your better understanding. So white and green is here. So green is here and white is on the top. The thing what I will do here is pull my those 2 centers up and then keep this protrusion down. So the thing I'll do like this. Pull up this down and then you can see it's fixed. I'll show another example. Suppose if we take white and blue. So the thing I will do is pull my blue screw up and my white screw and then insert this protrusion down. So you can see we get our I shape, which is an OLL. Okay, so let's continue. I'll show you now each and every 9 edges. So let's look all of them. Okay, so let's complete our white. Okay, so we have these 2 things which are of white. So this says it's white and orange. So let me look, where does that come? It's over here. So again I'll do. Okay, so let's now continue with it. We have now this white and orange piece which has to go over here and here. So the thing I'll do is rotate, push this screw a little bit, and then I'll do and continue like this here. Note that these pieces are loose, so the more force you apply, the cube would break. So now let's look at another white edge, which is over here. So the thing I'll do is again turn, push the white screw a little bit, but don't apply a lot of force, and then I'll segregate. So now as you can see, we have completed our white center, and then we have to continue doing these all things, which I'll also show. Our next thing is over here. So it is orange and blue. So orange and blue will go over here, which I'll push it up little bit and then it's inserted. And the problem of this may be that it's a little bit of loose, which always happens, so we have to be careful. Okay, so we have completed this layer, so let's continue. Okay, so our next will be this blue or green and orange. So it will go over like this, a little bit of force, turn. So you can see our half of the orange is done because our top is also left, which we will do at the end. And then let's look at this case. So this, turn, a little bit of force, apply. And our last, which is over here. So okay, the final edge of the top first 2 layers, which is F2L. So let's keep it on here, a little bit of force, insert. So as you can see, our first two layers edges are solved, and now we have to do of a top yellow layer, and I'll show you. So let me take this first. It's now actually a little bit of easy, but if you apply a lot of force, your cube may break. So okay, done. And now let's look at the next edge, which is this, which I'll keep it over here. I'll push this spring up a little bit. Done. Turn. Fix this up. Then we will take this one, yellow and orange, push this up a little bit. Done. Fix this up. And then our last edge, push this up a little bit. Done. And then fix this up. So as you can see, we have almost completed the 50% of our part, which is inserting our edges. Now don't try to move it, or else you have to do it again. So now let's take about the corners. So we have these many corners, so nothing to worry, I'll say. So this is white, which has to go over here obviously. Green, which has to go here or here, but it says even orange, so it has to come over here. So the thing what I'll do is push these two a little bit, and then insert it easily. Note that this should come down, don't need to worry. We'll push this up a little bit, and then we can fix it. I'll just push this up a little bit. Fixed. Let's look at the next corner. So this is the corner, so I'll just turn it up a little bit, insert it. It may fall, it will fall, nothing to worry. I'll just push this up a little bit. It takes some force to time, and that's nothing else. Okay, so we inserted this up, but we messed up with this edge, so I'll insert that edge too. Okay, done. Let's look at the next edge, next corner, sorry. Our corner will be here, so I'll push it up here, insert it, and then fix by turning it up a little bit down, and then fix it. Note that this may happen to you, so nothing to worry. So it's our last edge, last corner, which is here. Insert it. It is little bit of free because our edge is gone. We'll bring our corner again. So you can see our first two layers, or our F12 corners and edges, are done in the last step, and then your 90% of your cube will be solved. Okay, so let's look at this. So the first thing I have to find is the corners, which we have only 4, and then let's look at the things. So it's yellow obviously, it's also saying it's of red and green, which is here. So I'll push this up a little bit and then insert this in an easier way, and then this may get spoiled, so nothing to worry. We'll just press this up a little, and then yours inserted, and then look, so it's actually solved. And look at this corner. This corner says it's yellow, blue and orange, which is over here. I'll push this up a little bit, insert it, and then rejoin it. And the last two threads are almost going to be over. Let's look at this one. It's yellow, green and orange. Yellow, green and orange is over here. We'll just then now insert it. And the last corner which is left. So let's see at the last corner. Last corner is over here. Insert it up a little bit, and the cube is assembled. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, share, subscribe this video, and I'm very happy to get almost 161 subs. That's quite great. Shout out to Easy Cubing. Thank you.